Today on the Warhammer Community site, we're having another look at the Rumour Engine, and, well, I'm definitely going to guess this is Leagues of Votann, or it is some collaboration with Lego, and they're making mallets. They're making a Lego Warhammer. That's what it is. It's a Lego Warhammer. It's a collaboration with Lego, Warhammer Lego. There it is. Here's our proof, people. It's Warhammer Lego, or it's Leagues of Votann. I can't tell. The design of it all looks very, very Votann-ish. Votann? The faction hasn't even come out yet, and we're already attributing such descriptions as Votann-ish. Anyway, let me know what you guys think.